Well, one thing I would like to throw light on that also. You told that he should get a privacy. I agree he should get a privacy, but a privacy which means not to create any disturbance for his studies only. You are telling me that he should get privacy. You think about those unfortunate students who are learning their revision in crematorium under the street lights. They have some kind of 100% understanding that some problem might be there in their family, like electricity bill or whatever. They have one BHK or one small dingy room, so that they don't have that much privacy to have daily studies. But think about those. I'm not telling him to go in crematorium and learn. I'm not that bad mom. My birth date is 11/5/1982. I was being born on the eve of Mother's Day. I know what is being a mother. I am inbuilt mother. Wherever I go, I have motherly feelings. But how can you say that? He should get a privacy. One fine day, he will come with a woman on the bed. He will have sex with her. And should I see that also? Because he need a privacy. Means, I really don't know how to say, but the mentality of today's humankind is steeping low. I only want to die. I don't know when my death will come, and nobody knows when that death might come, now, later, or next day. I need to die at my dad's place. Am I wrong? Dear Sohail, darling, I'll be sending you my home tour video. You just see to it how I'm going in a very bad situation. You just see to it, then decide am I mentally sound or unsound. Point number 1 in this video, and point number 2, there are some kitchen clashes. Likewise, when I go to the kitchen, she just fumes out, and when she goes to the kitchen, while seeing her, I go timid. I really go timid. My knees go weak, and she charges on each and every utensil like this and that, like prowling beast. For her, I am getting up daily at 4 a.m. to make my tea, to roll my rotis, make my son's breakfast, to finish my bath. So every day, even if it is a Sunday, I get up at 4 a.m. not to avoid, to avoid the kitchen clashes. Who is mentally sane? You just tell me who is mentally sane. When I returned back to my mother's place, there was one advocate named Vivek Solade. He used to talk to my dad in his bedroom, means in total privacy, that I should not listen whatever they are speaking. I used to ask my mom, who is he? Who is he? She used to tell me, you no need to interfere. Then my sister said to my dad that as it is, my husband is expired, she will have an affair with a Facebook friend or whatever, whoever, era gera natu kara, man from road. She will bring him home and she will make him to kick you means dad, out of his place. She will confiscate his property, that means bank balance and etc. Do you think I am in that mentality to do this to the person who gave me education, to the person who gave me clothes, few jewelries, few morsels to eat for my son and for myself, to ditch him, to backstab him? Was that my mentality? No, I didn't ditch my dad till date. Even if he died, I am respecting his decisions. उसे काजल लगाना मेरा पसंद नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने काजल लगाना छोड़ दिया. इतना सब कुछ ब्रेन वॉश करके मेरी पापा को बोल दिया कि उसके बेटे को और उसको लीगल हेयर बनवाओ. अभी तक वो मरते दम तक वो इस डिसीजन पर पछताया. उस पछतावे को धोने के लिए उसने विल बनाया, उसको प्रॉपर्टी के बाहर धकेला. क्या गलती है उसकी, क्या गलती है मेरी? आपकी जवाब दीजिएगा. ऐसे ही करके एक दिन मैं ऑफिस से आई. मैं 5 साल पहले मैं काम किया करती थी, अभी मैं काम नहीं करती. हो गया उसको 8 साल, अब तक से 8 साल हो गया. मैं ऑफिस से आई, पापा इस लकड़ी के सोफे पे हताश पड़े थे. बेड उनकी उंगली कट चुकी थी. बिस्तर पर सोफे पे खून स्प्लैश हुआ था. मैंने पापा को पूछा, ये क्या हुआ? पापा बोले, ये शर्मिला मुझे मारी, ये बाएं मुझे मारी. और ऐसे ही वो गुंडों की तरह ये बालकनी पर बैठी थी. मैं कुछ ना कर सकी. पापा हताश ऐसे बैठे थे, इस डिसीजन पर पछताए कि विल बनने, वो क्या बोलते उसे, अडॉप्शन डीड बनाया. उसी दिन पापा ने मम्मी को कहा, जो जहाँ कहीं पर भी है वो अडॉप्शन डीड वो ले आओ. तो फ्राइडे था, तो सैटरडे मम्मी और वो बहन पालघर के घर गए. तो पालघर में उसने अडॉप्शन डीड ओरिजिनल रखा था, पापा के हाथ में दे दिया. पापा ने हर एक लीगल एडवाइज़र्स, एडवोकेट, लॉ, जो भी कोई है, उनको पूछा ये क्या कर सकते हैं अभी. वो बोलते अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकते, उन लोगों की साइन लेनी पड़ेगी. जिन लोगों ने ये सब करवाया है वो लोग साइन करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे. फिर उसने उन लोगों ने कहा, फाइनल तुम बिल बनाओ, उनको ये मेंशन करना कि उस शर्मिला को और साइराज को कुछ भी मत देना है. ऐसे उसने बिल बनाया. क्या उसने कुछ गलती की? आप प्लीज़ मुझे इसका जवाब दें.